Hi everybody, welcome to Team Valley MOT's how-to videos. We're here with Jojo, who's recently passed a test and she's got a couple of questions, same as a lot of young drivers or even older drivers who don't know how to check some simple things. I'm going to show you how to do it. So Jojo's got a couple of questions, so we'll go through the first one. What do you need to know?
How do you check the coolant?
Coolant. So first, Jojo, you have to open the bonnet. I'll show you how to do that. Just down here, you've got a little lever. So you just pull that towards you. You hear the bonnet click up. Then just stick your hand on this car. It's just under the bonnet here, just above the badge. You lift that up. And when that comes up, you're looking for bright colours normally. So you've got an orange lever here. Lift that up, and that goes just there. There's a little orange thing for that to line up with. So then the next colour is blue. So you're looking for, this is your coolant. If the engine's hot, don't open that. You can literally just check there. There's a line there that says minimum, another one says maximum. So it's nice and cold, this car, we haven't started it. So we can open that up, just undo the cap. But like I say, only do that when the car is nice and cool. That's why your level is there. So I'll go and get some coolant. Then you just literally top it up to the right level. So there's your line there. Be a miracle if we get this right. Can you see it? Right. So that's on the right level there. So then cap back on. On these, you can feel the last one, it's a bit of a click, like that.
Yeah.
That's now on the maximum. Coolant's all good to go. Close the bonnet. Make sure you clip that back in there. Just literally let go there. That's all closed. That's how you check your coolant. See you next time.